Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today in class 4, subject English, I am going to explain you Unit 6, the scholar's mother tongue. Students, everyone, you will open your Marigold textbook. Let's see your Unit 6. The name of the lesson is The Scholar's Mother Tongue, right? Students, what is the meaning of scholar? SCHOLAR, scholars. Scholar means the person who have mastery in any particular work, okay, or we can say in this lesson one person have mastery over many languages, okay. And what is the meaning of mother tongue? Mother tongue means the language which you are speaking from your childhood. It is called mother tongue, okay. So in this lesson, let's see scholar's mother tongue, right? See students, first of all I will read this page and then I will explain you, okay. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. So what happened, students? One day a learned Pandit, okay, learned means the person who have knowledge. So one learned Pandit visited the court of Akbar. Everyone, you have listened the name of King Akbar, right? King Akbar was the famous. So what happened? One day in the court of King Akbar, one learned Pandit visited, right? And he told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. What is the meaning of mastery? Mastery means having a good command. Here you can see this one is King Akbar, right? And these are his courtiers and this one is learned Pandit, right? So this learned Pandit told that he has mastery over many different languages, means this Pandit could speak many different languages very fluently. He had mastery. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. This learned Pandit was so fluent that no one can find out that which one is his mother tongue, right? He challenged everybody at the, turn your page students. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue, okay. You know very well that in the court of King Akbar there were many courtiers, right? So this learned Pandit challenged to all these courtiers that you have to name my mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. So all the courtiers, when failed to find out which one is his mother tongue, this challenge was taken up by Birbal. And if you know, Birbal was one of the most visible courtier, courtiers in the king of Akbar. So this challenge was taken up by Birbal. So what did this Birbal do? That night Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. So students, what happened? Birbal has taken up the challenge to find out mother tongue of this learned Pandit. So what did he do? When everyone were sleeping, the Birbal went into the learned Pandit's room quietly, right? And he was sleeping. Learned Pandit was sleeping. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. You can see here, this learned Pandit is sleeping, right? And Birbal whispered something in this learned Pandit's ear, and you can see here he tickled it with this feather. So what happened? The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. So this learned Pandit was sleeping, and when this Birbal disturbed him, he was half awake and cried out in his mother tongue few words. So what happened? Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Okay, so what did this Birbal do? Next day, Birbal came to the court and he told everyone that this learned Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu, and the Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. This Pandit was surprised that how this Birbal find out my mother tongue, but he was right, Birbal was right. This learned Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu, and he accepted the truth, right? King Akbar then asked Birbal, how did you find the truth? So King Akbar asked Birbal that how you find out that the learned Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu? Birbal answered, in times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. Okay, so Birbal also told to the King Akbar that at night how Birbal went into the Pandit's room when he was sleeping and how he find out his mother tongue, right? So students, hear your story over the scholar's mother tongue, right? Wisely this Birbal had find out this learned Pandit's mother tongue. Which was his mother tongue? Telugu. So students, I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you. Have a nice day.